Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Have you ever been frustrated because your fertilizer runs out in just 1 minute? Today, let's solve this together. Is your fertilizer disappearing too fast? It could be due to water pressure or the dialer settings. Let's figure out how to fix this. Fertilizer consumption is affected by water pressure and the dialer setting on your sprayer. The higher the water pressure, the faster the fertilizer is used up. The higher the dial, the quicker the consumption. If your sprayer is on the lowest setting and you're still using fertilizer too fast, it's probably because you have high water pressure. Try turning down the water valve on the sprayer to slow things down. If you're on the highest setting and your fertilizer is running out too fast, try lowering the dial setting. By adjusting to a lower setting, your tank of fertilizer will last longer, reducing the need for frequent refills and making the fertilizing process easier and more efficient. If your fertilizer isn't being used at all, it's likely because your water pressure is too low. Increase the dialer to something like setting 4 to get things moving. Today's experiment has shown us that by adjusting the water pressure and dialer, we can control how quickly our fertilizer is used. This makes fertilizing more consistent and efficient. That wraps up our experiment for today. I hope this helps you understand how to fertilize your garden the right way. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to like this video, and see you next time.